Severe floods continue to plague central parts of China. Millions of tons of garbage float down the rivers. An uncountable number of streets were under deep water. The tourist boat was literally eaten. The fish went crazy from so much rainfall. Cars had difficulty moving through the flooded streets. Even the sofa decided to travel a little. Water levels reached critical levels in cities. Terrible floods hit many cities and millions of people. Tens of thousands of people were evacuated from several provinces of the country. Heavy rains flooded low-lying houses, shops and cafes. The destruction of the infrastructure and surrounding areas greatly affected the lives of the local population. As a result, the rivers overflowed their banks and streams of water rushed through the surrounding areas. Even cars floated through the streets like boats. A red alert was declared in some areas and did not stop for a couple of days.